Pony balloon tutorial. Twist two 2-finger single bubbles to form a double ear twist. Thread the balloon through the center. Twist off a 3-finger single bubble. 2-finger barrier tie. A 4-finger single bubble. Continue making a double ear twist. Wrapping double loop knot technique. Twist a 4-finger single bubble. Fold it over and then twist an identical sized single bubble. 2 single bubbles are intertwined. A 4-finger single bubble. A 2-finger to loop twist. Add 2 more 4-finger wide single bubbles for the pony's hind legs, wrapping around the single ear tie. Release the excess air. Wrap and secure. Trim off the excess balloon tip. Another balloon is wrapped around the single ear knot. Twist 4 consecutive 1-finger single bubbles. Wrap around the 2-ear knot and secure it. Deflate the balloon and trim off the excess neck. The balloon neck is wrapped around the double ear tie. Take a section of the balloon neck, tie it off, and pull it tight. Adjust the shape of the balloon body. Just draw the eyes and you're done.